Good morning. I'm Kathy, and I'm here with Ma'am Talks. Still me. Anna and I still have not been able to get together, but we're hoping to do that soon. So before we begin, I have to thank some of our Etsy friends. We have a new Etsy friend. We have Loki's Workshop, which produces these amazing wooden spatulas. They're gorgeous. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. All handcrafted. Ma'am Talks 10, you get 10% off. The other one we have is Pieces of Jade Boutique, and these are masks. And I'm going to get closer so you can see the print. It's all about baking and cooking. They're adorable and they work. And our newest one is Millbrook Mercantile. This is one of the 100% cotton fabric baking prints. Look at that. High thread count. They're soft, they're washable, dryable. This is a bee print. Anna has another one that has more like kind of a woodsy feel to it. And they're absolutely amazing. So all of these products are going to be listed. You get Ma'am Talks 10, you get 10% off. Okay, I am so excited for today's baking good. I am going to make a cheesecake in the Instant Pot, which I think by now you might have seen I'm a little obsessed with this Instant Pot. I'm making everything. But I've been wanting to do this for a while, so we're going to do it together. So are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so I took 7 graham cracker strips. You can do it in a food processor. I did it an old-fashioned way, put it in a bag, took out the rolling pin and crushed them. And it makes about a cup. So we're gonna pour that into here. Just so you know, even when I cook without filming, I get everything ready to go. I have everything measured and ready to go. And that way I don't have to, run around here, run around there. So we have our graham crackers and we're gonna have melted butter. Okay, so here's my melted butter. We're gonna pour that in. And I'm going to take my beautiful spatula and I'm going to just stir it together, just simple like that. So it's just this and the melted butter. And then I'm going to add just a little bit for the crust, just about a tablespoon of granulated sugar. I'm going to pour that in and I'm just going to keep stirring until it's all mixed up. I usually cheat when I make cheesecake. I usually buy a shell already made, but not this time, not for you guys. All right, so we have that. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of oil. And look how cute this little, hold on, let me lock it, springform pan. It's a 6-inch one that's gonna fit in the 3-quart Instant Pot. Okay, so we're going to take 1 teaspoon. It recommends what they call a neutral oil, and a neutral oil is like a vegetable oil or a grapeseed oil, just so it doesn't get any extra added flavor in there. Now it says to do a teaspoon, and what it wants me to do is to brush it all over the sides, the bottom. I probably should have used a brush like it said. Maybe what I'll do is I'll pour a little bit in like this, just that little tiny bit. And then I will take this, and I'm going to do the bottom and the sides. Can you see that? Okay. And then, does it look like it's all done here? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, see that? Then we're going to take our graham cracker crumbs. I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to pour them in here. Oh, this is going to be really good. Okay, so what it says to do is to kind of flatten them out, thin layer on the bottom, and then go up on the sides a little bit. So this is my first time doing this for you. I'm feeling very positive about the results. I think this is going to be really, really good. And if you were all here, I'd invite you to come have some with me. However, I did promise Anna I would bring her a piece. So I will do that. So as you can see, I flattened out the bottom, and I did a little bit up on the sides and just kind of flattened them out as best I can. Okay, so that piece is ready. Okay, now, interesting, it says to wrap the sides and the bottom in foil. So this is what I'm doing. I'm wrapping the sides with one sheet of foil. Isn't this interesting? Okay, and I'm gonna just pat it down really well because I think it says it's kind of hard to put it into the Instant Pot. So let me show you what I did. So we have it all wrapped, the bottom and the sides. Okay, and we're gonna set that aside. Next, we're gonna take 2 packages of 8-ounce cream cheese at room temperature. That's important. Put that in the bowl, and this is kind of fun. Hand mixers, who uses those anymore, right? I do, I love it. So it says to mix it maybe about 15 seconds just to break it up. So here we go. Not too bad. It gets a little stuck sometimes. Okay. There we go. Kind of softens it really, more than breaks it up. It does break it up. Okay, good? Is that 15 seconds, you think? All right. Then we're going to add the sugar while we do this. Now watch. I'm going to, let's see how I can do this. I'll hold it like this. I'll do this and slowly add sugar. I think I'll do that and then kind of beat some of this up. You know this is going to be good, right? Already cream cheese, sugar. I mean, you can't go wrong. Look at that. And we'll put the last of it in. All of it. I know it said slowly, but instead of dumping it all in, I did it in 3 steps. Okay? So we're going to get all that stirred up. Okay, next. Vanilla, lemon, and whipping cream. No eggs? The eggs, okay. Next are the eggs. One at a time. So I'll see if I can do this since I already put them in here. Sort of. There we go. 1 egg. Now it really gets smooth and creamy. Look at that. And we'll do 1 more egg. I actually paid attention and did everything it said this time. I did room temperature. I was being very patient because I really want this to come out. It'll come out tasting good. Okay, now we have kind of a yellow tone. Now, we're going to add, hold on here. Okay, the vanilla. It says vanilla bean paste, or you can just do vanilla. And I'm going to do, let's see, what should I do? It says 2 teaspoons, so this is where I don't really measure properly. I just kind of do a little and a little. I love vanilla, don't you? Lemon zest. So I took a lemon, did it earlier to save time. Just did this with a lemon peel. And I have to tell you, what a difference lemon zest makes in a recipe. Especially when you're making a lemon recipe. Oh, so tangy and tasty. Okay, so we have that, we have our zest, and we have some whipping cream. Okay, we're gonna add the whipping cream. This is interesting, whipping cream. I've never put whipping cream in a cheesecake recipe. And again, the recipe will be on our website, www.mamtalks.com. Let's stir all this stuff up now. Here we go, ready? It says don't over mix because you'll create air bubbles. All right, next step, to put our yummy crust. Oh, this is so exciting. It's so weird, I know. Into here. Oh, it fits perfect. It wasn't hard to fit in here. Okay, got that in there. Ready? And then, I don't know why it says it's gonna be a tight fit, but it's not. Stir this up just a little bit. Remember, it said not to do it too much because then it's gonna cause some bubbles. And we're going to pour this in. Let's see if I can move this actually closer for you. Hold on. There we go. So we're gonna get this ready. I will tell you later the silly thing I did. I will tell you now. I was not thinking, and I poured water into the Instant Pot and it's coming out the bottom. I'm like, where's all this water coming from? Don't do that. Thank you, Anna, for saving me. We put this in here first, and I hope I didn't make an electrical problem. We put the trivet in, and then we add water. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in here. It goes in really nicely. It says it's a tight fit. It is not a tight fit. Then I'm going to pour in. You should see the damage I have done over here, you guys. Hold on. Okay, now I'm going to do it this way so you can see all this yummy cheesecake go into here. Look at this. Don't you just want to take like a spoon when you're doing this and just eat it? All right, so all of this cheesecake is going in nicely. I think you should thank me for making a mistake. So now you won't make the mistake. So you're welcome. Okay. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I want to put every drop in there. Look at that, you guys. Oh, now let's see. Hello. So I'm going to just tell you what happened. Maybe it'll help you in the future. So I wasn't reading the recipe properly. And instead of putting the cylinder back in the Instapot and then putting the trivet and the water in that, I put the water in the Instapot. Not a good idea. So now it kind of shorted out, and I am hoping that if it sits for a day or two, it'll totally dry out and it won't be ruined. I tell you, best laid plans. So I took our little friend here and put it in the oven, 325 for about an hour and 10 minutes or so. So now I'm not sure, I'm hoping it comes out okay, but I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator for another few hours. So say we'll see you soon. Okay, here we go. I'm back, and it's been in the fridge for a few hours. It says you could do it overnight would be great, but at least a few hours. So here we go again. Okay, I'm going to undo the springform pan. I'm going to lift this off. Oh, hey, look you guys, it stayed together. I'm not going to take it off of this little metal plate because I'm afraid, but look at that so far. So you can do one of two things. You can serve it just like this. You can put blueberry topping on it, my favorite, cherry topping. So I think what I will do, I will cut a piece and then I'll put a little bit of the taste that I like on it. So somebody else that wants a piece, Anna, can put something or nothing on hers. Still in the camera too. I'm ready to taste. Please don't fall apart on me. So far, so good. I will cut a little piece up. Here we go. Let's see if I can carefully remove it. Not sure. Let's try. Well, that wasn't the neatest slice, let me put it that way, but it worked. So I'll take a little bit more out, maybe, maybe not. Put that on my plate. Set this aside, and like I said, I like cherry. So let's put a little bit of cherry on it. And we are ready. Are you ready? I love the crust, that's one of my favorite parts. So let's take cherry and some crust. Ready, you want a bite? You want a bite? Didn't even need the cherry. That is really good. I highly recommend trying it, doing it the right way, and probably keep it together a little bit more, but it is delicious. Remember that you can get 10% off 3 different Etsy products using the code MAMTalks10, and it will be on our website at www.mamtalks.com along with the recipe. It will be on Instagram at MamTalks. It will be on Facebook, and of course, please click the link in the bio on Instagram, like, share, same with Facebook and YouTube, where hopefully you're watching this. Like, share, comment. We love your comments, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thanks so much for popping in today. Have a great week. Bye.